Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Question I get asked, and I've seen online many times is, what is the safest window to prevent a break-in? Let's talk about that. Whenever we talk about different windows in the past, casement window, locked is a fortress, sliding windows as being the safest windows. At the end of the day, and I'll always say this, the glass in your window is going to be the weakest part of the window, whether it comes to sound and heat, cold, or an infiltration. If a person is trying to break into your home, the glass is going to be the weakest link. So if somebody cannot get past your locks, but these guys are wanting to get into your home, what's to stop them from taking a brick and throwing it through your glass? Whether it's one pane, 2, 3 panes of glass, what's gonna stop them from breaking the glass to get into the house, right? The safest you can possibly be is have locked windows and laminated glass. Laminated glass, like I've said in some previous windows before, is an impact resistant glass. You're gonna find these in Florida. A lot of the manufacturers out there are going to push the hurricane style glass. It's laminated glass. What happens is it takes the brunt of somebody trying to, break the glass, be it a brick, whatever, a bat. They can shatter the glass, but it takes so much more to try to get through the films that are actually holding those two little pieces of glass together. It just provides so much security. I mean, imagine some guy trying to break into the house and they smack it once and nothing happens, and then bam, 3, 4 times, and they're like, dude, I can't even get in this window. They're just gonna forget it. I'm gonna go to somebody else's house that has windows that are weaker. I'm gonna always say that. I mean, if safety is an absolute crucial key in your window purchase, or if you even have dual pane windows now and are looking to upgrade the glass panels, which you can do, you can totally do that, you're going to need laminated glass if safety is what it's all about to you. Anlin windows are gonna offer impact resistant glass. Milgard windows, obviously. I believe Pella has lines where you can get impact resistant. I mean, literally wherever you live, chances are you're going to have a window system that is manufactured somewhere around your local area that can put together laminated glass packages for you. If that's what you really, really want, it's gonna cost you way more. Now understand that. It's not gonna be $100 more per window. No, you're looking at probably $300-400 more per window to have this laminated glass. And for some, that's a turning point. They just can't, they don't want to spend that kind of money. To them, just a dual pane is going to be perfect over what they have now. And yeah, I mean, it is. Hopefully this stuff helps. Any questions, put them in the comments and I'll try to get to them as soon as I possibly can. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.